a piping cake design today. So I have this cake left over from last week, and then I have these gorgeous flowers that I got in my garden. I have black left over from last week, so that's going to be used. I like to use the leftovers whenever possible. I've got white, I've got blue. I'm going to go ahead and color some of those and get some colors going here. I would like to do a golden yellow. So I'm going to take a little bit of my buttercream, and I've got some Buttercup. I love Buttercup yellow. It has brown tones to it. And then if you want to brighten it up, you can just add regular yellow, and that will help to brighten up the yellow. I also want a vintage look. So more muted colors, like this is very, very muted. I love that. That's perfect. I've got a blue buttercream here, and I would like to make it more of a teal blue. I've got the teal. This is a sky blue. I'll start with just a little bit. So I love these two colors together, and I like the black as a backdrop. The more I think about this, the more I realize I would rather do a blue. So I'm going to do a blue base. I'm going to use the black as some trim, and also the yellow. Now I'm going to go ahead and just smooth this out a little bit. Just to hold the cake in place, you want to put down a piece of shelf liner. Then I've got my tilting table, which I love. I highly recommend this tilting table. It's Wilton. In my Amazon shop, if you want to click on the link below the video. And I'm going to mark my cakes first. So I actually want to do a square, and I don't have a square cookie cutter. I'm just going to make some lines using this, just to kind of guide me. So I'm going to make some shells on the bottom here. This is a 4B. Now because this is this very small cake, I don't want these to be too big. But you basically want to build it up a little bit and then drag it. And as you go up, you release the pressure. Now with the tilting turntable, you can make it, you can lock it in place like it is right now. And you can also unlock it and turn it. Very carefully in this case. And you want to be right up against the cake. Having this really makes a huge difference when you're piping on the side of a cake. So I've got my little square marked out there, and then I'm going to use a round one. So I want to have 3 swags. For the yellow, I'm going to using the small tip, I'm just going to do a regular shell to create this square. So I want to do a little bit of an arch here as well. I'm gonna make a swag using a 104. Okay, so it's a 103, that should do it. Star here. This is what I meant to do on the last one. Much prettier. Now for the drop strings. I'm going to start on this side because this is the side that's going to go to the back of the cake. You want to let them fall. Probably should do them smaller. I'll do the big ones on this side and then I'll probably do smaller ones. Be better off without the tilt because you want them to drop. So now I've raised it up with the books because I want to do the drop strings and I need it to be eye level. Okay, we're gonna try it with the number 2. Let's do it on the side first just to make sure. Oh yeah, much better. Let's do it with all small ones. And I'm just going to put a black border on top here. Fresh flowers on this would really lighten it up and make it look really pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and decorate that. My cake is done and there it is. So let me know in the comments below what you think. And I'll see you guys in the next video.